guys, so today the plan is to we'll have to take this inner wing off again and make all this line up correctly because it's a little bit off still. Look, not far off now though. Just take a bit more of this lip on in there, and yeah, make sure that all lines up, and then hopefully see if we can get that bottom dash rail repair piece held in place. Just clamp it in from this side and then take the wing off and weld that in, and then we can start using our new fancy punch tool, make lots of holes, and yeah, weld this in. So that'll be nice. Obviously we can't use the punch on this part and anywhere that isn't on an edge, but yeah, still come in handy, save a lot of time. So yeah, anyway, let's take this wing off and make that fit a bit better. Okay, I've just realised the inner wing is definitely not getting welded on today. We can all get it all ready to weld on completely, but we cannot weld it in today because I am a fool. I meant to go to Halfords or something on the way here and get some Curist, because I really need to put some on the inside of this doorpost and stuff, because it's just never going to be 100% rust free, what with it being a bit pitted and stuff, without doing something like that. So yeah, a bit of a plonker. I ordered some on Amazon Prime, so it'll be at home tomorrow before I come here, hopefully, and we can apply that and then prime it and get the wing on. So yeah, we're just gonna have to make that fit perfectly today, and then we'll start doing some other bits. We'll probably take off the scuttle and clean up all in here on the bulkhead and everything, and again we can Curist that as well, because basically everywhere it's pitted you're just never going to get right in there with a wire wheel. So I'm going to get some Curist on it, I think, and I might even consider taking all this paint back off on here as well and Curist that. I'd like to have got that welded on, but yeah, it's not going to happen because I'd rather do it right and it not rot out again in a couple of years or whatever. So sorry about that, but that's the way it is, unfortunately. Forgot. So yeah, need to repair that slit up as well. How the heck someone's done that, I really don't know. But yeah, we'll fix that up and get that wing fitted in spot on, and we can also get that this repair welded in too. So yeah, still got plenty we can get on with. It's not like we've got nothing to do. Oh, also this here, I feel like this should probably come up like that or something. So I think I'm going to have to repair that, but I don't know exactly how it's meant to look because it's rotten away at the other side as well. So I'm going to have to maybe try and look online and see the shape of that panel. So yeah, got plenty to crack on with anyway, so let's carry on. Okay, so you saw me draw out my little cardboard template, and I've been cut that out and taken a while to perfect it so it fits in the hole nicely. There you go. It's just held in with magnets at the moment, so yeah, we'll get that tacked in now. We'll just go and get the welder plugged in, and we'll get that tacked in, and then we'll fill in the screw holes as well, because yeah, I don't want air vents, they're just a rust trap. And I don't really plan on using the car much in winter, so I don't need the fresh air coming in because I can just open the window. And I want speakers in the dash as well, where the air vents were, so they are going. So yeah, let's get that tacked in and let it cool a bit and then weld it in properly. Okay, so doesn't look the prettiest, but that air vent hole is welded up. See the underside. There you go. Yeah, not the prettiest. We'll get some primer on it in a minute, but no one's going to see it anyway once the wing and everything's on and the dashboard's in, so don't care that much. So yeah, that's one less rust trap anyway, which is good. So oh yes, this as well. Welded up that big slit that was in the doorpost. I've just noticed there's one little place there's a speck of light coming through. I'll fill that in a bit 'cause it's a bit holy as that. So I'll fill that in anyway, and we'll have to re-drill that hole because it's a bit flat on one side now, because that slit was down the edge of the bolt hole. So yeah, we'll sort that out. Probably have to drill it out with the inner wing on so we know it's drilling it in just the right place. So yeah, I'll fill that in a bit more, get some primer on that. I'm not going to bother priming this because I'm going to strip this primer back off again. Waste of time that was, but oh well. And get some of that cure rust on it, however you say it. Hopefully tomorrow. I mean, if Amazon brings it before I come out, which would be nice if they do. Otherwise, we'll just find something else to do. It's not like we haven't got anything else to do. So yeah, we'll finish touching this up, and then get that in primer. And we might. What time are we on? 5 to 6. We'll stay a bit longer. I'm in the mood today, so might get the scuttle off or something after that. Or I need to weld the rest of these up as well because they're a bit naff. It'd be nice to weld those up flat. Yeah, whatever. We'll find something to do anyway. Oh, and I need to put the bottom dash rail piece in. Might do that. I don't know. There's so much to do. All right, let's do that.